Hi friends, welcome back to another brand new episode of Hangout with Priyanka. Finally, rainy season has started. Evening snacks has a very good connection with rainy season. And in this situation, we are avoiding going outside and having some outside food or snacks. So in this video, I'll show you a veg puff or veg mac puff, which is a renowned and famous snacks from McDonald's. So this is the recipe is very easy. All the ingredients are available to your kitchen, I believe. But before going to main video, one request: if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and support me, and do not forget to click the bell icon for latest updates. So let's start with the recipe. For making the dough, we'll be needing 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, and 1/4 cup of refined oil. Now with the help of your fingertips, start mixing all the ingredients, as because we are looking for the sandy or crumbly texture. Once you see that's kind of holding some shape, start adding the water and make the soft kind of dough. Our dough is absolutely done and ready. Let's knead it for a while and put some wet cloth and rest it for a while. For making the filling, take some oil in a cooking pan and put some garlic cloves, finely chopped. Once garlic starts sizzling, let's add 1 medium-sized chopped onions, and cook it for a while till the onions become translucent and soft. After that, I'll be adding chopped carrot, followed by handful of sweet corn. Now give everything a mix. And add salt as per your taste. Give this a mix. To this, I'll be adding chopped capsicum, 1 medium size or small size chopped capsicum that I have taken. Give our veggie a good mix. Now season the same with some red chili powder, some chili sauce, and 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. Do not overcook the same. We need our veggies to be a bit crunchy. At the last, lower the flame and take 1 cheese cube and grate the cheese like this. Be sure that your flame is low at this stage. Our saucy, cheesy filling is absolutely ready. Let it cool completely before we use that. Our dough is well rested now. Let's knead it for a while again. Now I'll be making the same in 2 portions. I am dividing the same. Taking 1 portion and spread some maida so that it won't stick to the chopping board or so. Now with the help of a rolling pin, I'm just roll out the same, because I'll be cutting in squares and then we'll be cutting into the rectangles. I have rolled out the same like this, and with the help of a knife, I'm cutting in square. ये थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, I'll manage at the end. It's done now. Remove the sides and do not waste the same. We will be reusing the same once again. Done. Now take 1 knife and I'm cutting like this, because we will be making the rectangle shape. So from this dough, I'll be getting total 3 veg McPuff pizza. Now take 1 spoon of that filling and in one rectangle put the same. Help of another rectangle, just place it over it and please seal all the edges carefully, otherwise ये जो filling है ये बाहर निकल जाएगा. So just seal the edges like this. Now take 1 fork and just making a design like this. Our first McPuff pizza is ready. Let's repeat the process and in similar way create rest all the McPuff pizza. If you see the edges are wavy, so with the help of a knife you can resize the same and clear it off to make it a perfect shape. All McPuff pizza are ready to be fried, but before frying let's put it in a refrigerator for a while. Now in a karai I have put adequate oil for frying the same, and in a medium flame just put 1 or 2 McPuff pizza at a go, and you have to fry that till it become golden brown from all the sides. Once it's done, take it off and place it in a kitchen towel so that it can soak the excess oil. Here goes our veg McPuff pizza. Serve hot with tomato sauce. I hope you people have liked and enjoyed my recipe. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll be coming up soon with such more interesting recipes in future. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Priyanka signing off. Bye.